What if you could earn some extra cash by starting today? Imagine boosting your income without quitting your day job. Today we're about to reveal the most practical side hustles you can start right now. Stay tuned, because the last point we'll discuss can turn your passion into profit and might just be the game changer you've been looking for. Welcome back to Financial Blueprints. If you're new here, we're dedicated to helping you take control of your finances. And in this video, we'll highlight practical and actionable side hustles that can boost your income. First on our list is freelancing. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or have any other skill, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer can connect you with clients looking for your expertise. Freelancing allows you to leverage your existing skills to earn extra income on your own schedule. Start by creating a profile showcasing your skills and portfolio. Set competitive rates and deliver high-quality work to build a solid reputation and attract more clients over time. Next, consider online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, platforms like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, and Wezant can help you connect with students worldwide. Online tutoring is flexible and can be done from the comfort of your home. Create a detailed profile highlighting your qualifications and teaching experience. Providing engaging and effective lessons will help you build a loyal student base and increase your earnings. Another great side hustle is selling products online. Whether it's handmade crafts, vintage items, or print-on-demand products, platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon allow you to reach a global audience. Selling products online can turn your hobbies and interests into a profitable venture. Start by identifying products that you're passionate about and that have market demand. Create high-quality listings with detailed descriptions and attractive photos to draw in customers. If you prefer a more active side hustle, consider driving for ride-sharing services like Uber or Lyft, or delivering food for companies like DoorDash, Uber Eats, or Postmates. These gigs offer flexible hours and the opportunity to earn tips, making them a great way to boost your income. Ensure your vehicle is in good condition, and focus on providing excellent customer service to maximize your earnings and receive positive reviews. Finally, content creation can be a lucrative side hustle. If you enjoy writing, creating videos, or producing podcasts, platforms like YouTube, Medium, and Patreon can help you monetize your content. Building an audience takes time, but with consistency and quality content, you can turn your passion into profit. Focus on creating valuable and engaging content that resonates with your audience. Use social media to promote your work and interact with your followers to build a loyal community. So there you have it, practical side hustles you can start today to boost your income. Whether you choose freelancing, online tutoring, selling products, ride-sharing, or content creation, each of these side hustles offers the potential to increase your earnings and improve your financial situation. If you haven't seen our previous videos, be sure to check them out for more valuable tips on managing your finances. And stay tuned for our next video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Financial Blueprints, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. Until next time, take care and stay smart with your money.